Yo, what is up, as you guys came here with another reaction? And today, guys, we're here with Valiant. Valiant with a music video called Regular Day. So, we're going to jump on the one and here with the GSA. But before we do that, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, dog. You see me? It helps us as content creator. It motivates us to keep on going. And so your people out there actually like the video and actually watch the video and subscribe because they want more. You understand? So if you enjoy what go on the channel, please make sure you do that for me. You hear that? Anyway, let's jump in on and here with the GSA. Let's go. Regular Day, Valiant, let's go.
Big up Miss Dana, hear me about the giant. Millions on my prayer, 23 and just retired. Hear me love the science, go sit down the client. Ring pa my finger, the powers in my hand.
Who that? Pablo YG that, in the video. Unity is strength. Let's go.
Big up Miss Dana, hear me about the giant. Millions on my prayer, 23 and just retired. Hear me love the science, go sit down the client. Ring pa my finger, the powers in my hand. Just a regular day, dog. Spain down flank, I'm a beer.
Whoa, Silk Boss. Silk Boss in the video, we say Pablo YG so far. Unity. Let me just say, it's so incredible to see the young artists, like this generation of artists are linked, brother. Me like it. Honestly, me like it. So the young youth, them actually have unity in them. Them have unity in them. Obviously, there's the few odds there and there, but that's life. But the young youth, them a do it, brother. Big up on yourself, dog. Valley, video clean as always, bro. Video clean, bro.
Retired, hear me love the science. Go sit down the client. Ring pa my finger, the powers in my hand. Just a regular day, dog. Spain down flank, I'm a beer. Nah, stop fuck with the game. Be my park out on the front of the lane.
Man, I say it's just a regular day for them, brother. Be my park up at the front of the lane. The whole heap of girls, the cars, the money. You don't know it's just a regular day. At the lifestyle where it come with. At the lifestyle, you see me? And I just town alone. Moby have it too. The whole of Jamaica have it. You see me? So, big up the G them, dog.
Nah, stop fuck with the game. Be my park out on the front of the lane. I just a regular day, no. High grade up in a brain. Uptown girl, I go and puff on the vape. 220 in the spaceship, gone on Oasis. Pocket of dead faces, this me that dream about. That them me shot, relax and just a chill on the speedboat. Anything I'm out there, a girl them a freak out.
At them the life to the boss dream boat. I don't want YouTube black me, so I'm take off that. At them life there. The G them been a dream boat. I know them I live it. It's just a regular day for him. So if him can do it, get to youth, go and all out. When you can do it, you see me just utilizing the talent. That's how the G I say, so bro.
I go and puff on the vape. 220 in the spaceship, gone on Oasis. Pocket of dead faces, this me that dream about. That them me shot, relax and just a chill on the speedboat. Anything I'm out there, a girl them a freak out. Ecstasy, a girl I take her, say she want for deep shot.
That's the way the girl live on the ecstasy she take and say she want free call.
Phone ring, cybercrime, food a drug, my lip on the line. Psycho bunny, my pocket full of a bind. Just a regular day, dog. Spain down.
Psycho bunny, my pocket full of a vines.
Crime, food a drug, my lip on the line. Psycho bunny, my pocket full of a bind. Just a regular day, dog. Spain down flank, I'm a beer. Nah, stop fuck with the game. Be my park out on the front of the lane. I just a regular day, nah. High grade up in a brain. Uptown girl, I go and puff on the vape. 220 in the spaceship, gone on Oasis. Pocket of dead faces, US and pound dog, make you see the crumb park. Been chopping up the toll fast, money me a feel no emotion.
Yeah, money me a feel, brother. To anything else, me don't have no emotions, bro. Money alone make me happy. Money alone give me that joy there, bro. Because I know so without money in this world right now, we are nothing. That's how the G say. Bad.
Look at that faces, US and pound dog, make you see the crumb park. Been chopping up the toll fast, money me a feel no emotion.
Sure.
Yeah, remember the days when my dead put my face. Now me up under the game.
Yo, this is look what watch out.
Remember the days when my dead put.
Look what the man them goalposts. Hennessy the man. You know, say the man them live life in a brother. Them listen. I'm sure there's some black over here, so or stone over here, so where a man just take off a t-shirt, and next man take off a t-shirt and put here, so or a couple of shoes. Man, don't depend on that, dog. Hennessy we are use, bro, because here what them life that we are live. Hennessy they have to feel weird, so we are do it.
Feel no emotion. Yeah, remember the days when my dead put my face. Now me up under the game, my money make chase. Celebrate every day, and it's a way I chase. Yeah, we thankful for life, everything does a chase. Just a regular day, dog. Spain down flank, I'm up there. Non-stop fuck with the game. Be my park up on the front of the lane.
Simple, look how you fuck.
I just a regular day, dog. High grade up in a brain.
Talking.
Two girl and go and puff on the vape. 220 in the spaceship. Gone on oasis. Pocket of dead faces, yeah. Show some bum dog, make you see the crumble. Nah, man. As a diplomat, as a crown knight, you know his style already. I just a regular day. I just a regular day. I just a regular day.
Yo, this bad. That's a regular day. Yo, the video clean, brother. The video clean. The concept, dog. All of the G them there, one place a chill out, bro. Up on the hillside, dog. One bag of girl and football a play and liquor there and music a chump and, you know, weed in a mouth can and, you know the thing go, dog. That's a regular day, brother. The dog them not worry about nothing. And let me touch on this again, dog, because this is very important. Artists them we are linked together. And I show it. Because remember you have enough artists are linking up, but now par, brother. You see the artists them in each other music video, dog. It's a damn good look, brother. I love it, dog. Like no joke. I love it look, dog. I love it look. So if you see the artists them in each other music video and I do it, bro, proudly, that is a fuck. That's that generation of artists forward to change the music game totally, bro. The concept or you look on it, the sound, everything the man them a change, bro. The lifestyle, everything the man them a change, bro. Looking at the video, how much top care night video, bro. You see me? You see Ben, you see Bima, you see every fucking thing in the video, dog. Video clean, dog. You see me? So I have to take off my hat. I'm not take off one still, but you don't know. I have to take off my hat to the G them where you do it, bro. Valiant, big up yourself, dog. Silk Bass, Pablo, big up on yourself, G. Big up on yourself, dog. And if you miss any other artists in the video, comment section point it out for me, because I never see no more when me recognize still, but yeah. Anyway, still, this time I'm going to leave the one still. If you enjoyed the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video, like me saying at the start of the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. For real, for real.